Hello friends, this is class 6 PC Ren's grammar lesson 3, that is lecture 1, nouns, number.
Note the following sentences. A bird builds a nest in a tree. Number 2. Birds build nests in trees. In first sentence, the nouns are in the singular number, and in the second sentence, the nouns are in the plural number. You can see in first sentence bird, nest, tree. These three words show that the nouns are singular, while in the second one, birds, nests, trees are the plural forms of the nouns which are given in the first sentence.
Singular number. Any noun standing for one person or thing is said to be in the singular number, as boy, man, monkey, donkey, chair, desk. Let me tell you, it's not donkey, it's donkey. Plural number. Any noun standing for one person or thing is said to be in the plural number, as boys, men, monkeys, donkeys, chairs, desks. Let's solve exercise 1. Underline the nouns in these sentences. State whether the noun is singular or plural. Number 1. The boys are writing in copy books. Its answer, boys and copy books are nouns, so we have underlined them. Boys is plural and copy books is also plural. Number 2. A little girl is playing with her friends. Its answer, girl is singular, though girl is noun, friends is also noun. Girl is singular and friends is plural. Number 3. Cows give milk. Cows and milk both are nouns. Cows is plural and milk is singular. Number 4. There are many houses in this street. Its answer, houses and street. Both are nouns. Houses is plural and street is singular. There are 5 cups on the table. Cups, plural, table, singular. Number 6. The room has 4 walls and 2 doors. Room, singular, walls, plural, and doors is plural. All the ink pots are new. Ink pots, plural. I have 3 balls but only 2 bats. Its answer, balls, plural, bats, plural. There are 7 days in a week. Days, plural, week, singular. This book has 64 pages. Book, singular, and pages, plural. Number 2. A little girl is playing with her friends. Its answer, girl is singular, though girl is noun, friends is also noun. Girl is singular and friends is plural. Number 3. Cows give milk. Cows and milk both are nouns. Cows is plural and milk is singular. Number 2 rule. By adding es if the noun ends in s, sh, ch. This is soft sound and its hard sound is k. So here we are taking only soft sound, that is ch, or x, as bus, buses, because the word is ending in S, so we will add ES. Similarly, glass, the word is ending in double S, so we are adding ES. Same here, brush, brushes, bench, benches, box, boxes. You can see that these words are ending in S, double S, SH, CH, X. So to make their plural, we have just added ES to these words.
By changing Y into I and adding ES if the I comes after a consonant, as pony, ponies, lady, ladies, fly, flies, city, cities. You can see that before Y there is a consonant, N, D, L, T. First of all, what are consonants? In our alphabets, there are 26 letters. Out of 26 letters, 5 are vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and other 25 are consonants. So, N, D, L, T, these are consonants. Now, note, if there is vowel before Y, then only S is added. Means, if there is A, E, I, O, U just before Y, then only S will be added. There, Y will not be changed into IES.
Now, by changing F into V and adding ES, as thief, thieves, knife, knives, calf, calves, leaf, leaves. Our next rule, by changing of vowel as man, men. Most of the people commit this error. They say that the plural of man is mans. That is wrong. So the plural of man is men. Similarly, women, women. Next, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice. Next rule, by adding en. In order to change singular number into plural number, we just add en. For example, ox, oxen, child, children. Next is, there are some nouns that are used only in the plural. For example, means they don't have their singular form. They are always used in plural form. For example, scissors. Though there is one scissor, but there are two blades in one scissors. So we will not call it as scissor, we will say scissors. A pair of scissors. Spectacles. Because in spectacles also there are two glasses. In shorts also there are two holes to insert your legs, to put your legs into that. Trousers. Same with trousers. These things are always used in pairs. That's why we use such nouns in the plural form only. Jeans, tights, and pajamas. Next is, there are some nouns that have the same singular and plural forms, as deer. Means its plural form will not be deers. No. Its singular form will be deer and its plural form will also be deer only. Ship, fish, aircraft. Next, some nouns have no plural form. Means they are always used in singular form only. For example, scenery. Though there are many views or one view, still it will be called as scenery. Furniture. Wood. If we say woods, woods will be a jungle. But if we are talking about wood, then that will be wood only. Iron. information. Advice. Though there are many pieces of advice, we'll call it advice. We'll never say there are many advices. That will be wrong. Now, number 10. There are nouns which are considered only in the singular form as mathematics, physics, economics.
Now, your homework is to write the plural of each of the following. Two exercises I am giving you for homework. Baby, write its plural form. Branch, bush, wolf, army, loaf, goose, face, wife, child, fox, buffalo. Write their plural form using the rules which I have taught you in today's class. Now, next question. Note the following sentences. A bird builds a nest in a tree. Number 2. Birds build nests in trees. In first sentence, the nouns are in the singular number, and in the second sentence, the nouns are in the plural number. You can see in first sentence bird, nest, tree. These three words show